Danielle was miserable. Last week, she asked some freight cars to push her past a danger sign. However, they pushed her too far and she ended up into the sea. And as a punishment, Danielle had to shunt passenger cars at Otisville Station. She hated it and wondered if she'd ever be allowed back on the line to pull trains again. One rainy day, Danielle was in the shed. No trains had arrived in a while, so she was taking a well-deserved rest. Just then, the yard manager came up. "Danielle, we need you." "Let me guess," she said sadly. "Another train's arrived?" "Yes, but we don't need you to shunt it. We need you to pull it." Emily ran low on water and her fusible plugs had melted. She can't pull the train. "Don't worry," said Danielle. "I'll make sure the passengers get to South Plainsville safely." It started to rain a little harder once Danielle arrived at the platform. She was just in time. The rain streamed down Danielle's boiler. "Ooh," she shivered. She wished she could be back in her nice dry shed. Danielle struggled down the main line. The river was rising fast. "Oh, I wish I could see, complained Danielle as she fouled against the rain. Then suddenly, she found herself deep in water. "Oh no," cried Danielle, "the water's sloshing at my fire." They stopped and quickly backed the coaches on the dry land, while the conductor went to go find help. He returned looking grim. "We can't even go back. The drawbridge is damaged." "Well, that's just great," said the fireman. "But what are we going to do about Danielle's fire?" The driver looked over and saw a boxcar. "Maybe there's some wood in it," he said. So him, the conductor, and the fireman went to look inside the boxcar, and sure enough, there was a bunch of lumber in it. They took some and broke them up and brought it back to Danielle. Soon Danielle's fire was burning well. She felt warm and comfortable again. "Okay, old girl," said the driver, "you think you could go through it?" "I'll try," said Danielle. And determined, but a little worried, she puffed back through the floodwaters. Danielle felt she was losing steam again, but she plunged bravely on. "I can do this," she panted. "I can do this." She made one more big effort until at last, exhausted but triumphant, she brought the train home. "Well done, Danielle," said Larry. "You got the passengers here safely despite everything." "That's amazing," added Chrissy. "I don't think I couldn't have done it," said Taylor. Soon Mr. Egan arrived. First he thanked Danielle's crew, and then Danielle. "You know, Danielle, over the past 2 weeks, it really appears to me that you want to be a submarine rather than a steam engine." Then he smiled. "But however, your actions today were very heroic. You have proved that once again you are a really useful engine." "Oh, thank you, sir," said Danielle happily.